What's going on, boys and girls? Another video, another explore. This one's a bit special to me, so I first done it maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and then I came about 3 years ago. You hear the birds up there, but the place is just trashed ever since. So some of my earlier subscribers will recognize the place, but if not, you haven't scrolled through all the videos. Here's the old waste incinerator, which is industrial at its finest, basically. So there was a time when you could go through it all. I don't know how much of the upstairs is still accessible, but nonetheless we'll take a look at it. It's got some great look about it, I love it. So there's a lot graffitied up, a lot more trash than I can remember. I'm surprised it's still standing, in all fairness. How safe is it up there these days?
It's alright, but there's no stairs to go around.
Ah, wow. So I can remember before I actually climbed that way up. So there's a main staircase here, so let's just do the sensible option. Vivian Westwood. Interesting. I like this, I do trust no one. That's pretty cool. Oh my god, I can remember walking them stairs. It's now a bit all decayed. Crazy. Just water's just coming straight through here these days. It is a pretty cool control room we've got here. Well, if it's still there, that is. Basement, when you go down, as you can see, it's actually full of water, so we'll let's pick it up down there, guys, because it'll be a bit of a squeeze. There we go, we're through the gap. Now Kurt was actually telling me they can't demolish this place due to the water that's in the bottom of it, because apparently it's all chemicals and stuff inside it. Just look, see what I mean? It's crazy. It gives you sort of depth of how deep it is, because you can see the urinals on the far wall over there. Look at this. Wow. That's a good 4 foot of water. So all the machinery, etc. is still under there. Let's get up to the top floors, that's what I'm excited about. So here we are, guys, one of the, I think it's a bit of a storage spare parts room, the looks of it. Fuses. Just spare parts. Or the remains of the spare parts anyway. I'm being a bit held back from one room. We'll just turn the torch off, because there, the farmer and his tractor are literally right through over there. So let's skip on up. Let's get up a level. I'm guessing it's up here is where Kurt is. There he is. What's going on, brother? Is this still there, that control room?
Yeah.
So this one, is it?
Wide open.
Look at this. What the fuck? Throw yourself from the window. That's cool. The tractor still running out there. Let's get outside. Just look at this. Crazy. Literally get to see how bad a condition this is in. Wow. Just love the fact the boom is still there. Obviously they picked the stuff up. Oh, this used to have all the bells on it at one point. It's pretty sad. Without ruining kids' photos too much, we'll come through and see if we can see anything still. How's that floor these days?
Yeah, it's alright, go on.
Just in full view, that's all. Amazing. It's the trouble when you're my sort of weight coming across, so you think, how long is this floor going to be standing up for? So that's where we originally came in. That's cool. And here's a little locker room, so again parts. There we go. That's a tour of the old incinerator. Pretty damn cool coming back here. I said it's, you know, it's not a lot to see, but some memories where you first started out, and again it's giving you another little video. So we'll wrap it up there. See you next week. Boss out.